Hey everyone, Greg here, and today I'm going to share how I'm going to use Google Search Console and how I'm going to use the data from that to add more keywords within SEMRush. So, real quick, in Google Search Console, my page on Bing reward points had a real big drop after August. So I was driving, a handful of clicks, 12 or so per day, and it dropped now down to about 1 or 2, which is pretty bad. So what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to go to the queries report section down here. I'm going to add some of these keywords into SEMrush. So just to save time, I already did this. So really what you do is you just highlight some of these keywords, or you can just write them in manually. You go to SEMrush, you click on this wheel section, and you go to edit keywords or URL. So I added in a few more keywords for me to go after, and I hit the button of collect ideas. By the way, I'm in the projects section and I'm in the on-page SEO checker. So if you have SEMrush, basically create a project, put in that target URL, and then you want to put in the keywords you want to go after. What I'm most interested in is these 7 ideas. So again, a couple things that I want to look at. So focus on creating more informative content. I actually look at this a lot. So you go to see detailed analysis, and right away I can see that my content length is roughly around what others are writing. So I know that, for example, it's not so much about quantity, but it's really about the quality of content. So if I go to keyword usage, these are the terms that I really want to go after. For example, Bing points, I don't even include that anywhere. 0% in my body content, or even in my title tag, H1 tag, etc. I don't even include it. More terms as well. How to earn more Bing rewards, 0%. And I can see even Microsoft points, my competitors use it more often than I do. So I hate the term keyword density. I think that's really old-fashioned, but what I think it's more about is that semantic way of, well, we should cover these topics if we're at a 0%. And the ones we already are covering, let's go more into the semantic report, because I want to know, for example, where those checkpoints are not used. So I can see for the most part, Microsoft account, I include this. Rivals are using these words as well. Density wise, maybe I could use Microsoft rewards more often, but, we'll see. But I can already tell a couple things that I need to do more. So bonus points. So anyone who's familiar with Microsoft rewards, you can get bonus points by checking your email and performing the tasks. So if you click on your email and you take a quiz, or you do like a scavenger hunt through Bing, you can get some extra points. Good idea for me to include. Free stuff, even Microsoft products. Free stuff is actually really interesting. That's actually one of their incentives of Microsoft rewards, is to reward you for searching with Bing. Thus, you get free stuff. Free stuff is like Amazon, Starbucks, Sephora, Domino's, REI, Walmart, etc. It's money. It's really gift cards, actually, that you can just use. So it's actually pretty interesting. So anyway, web browser, a lot of things as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause this video for 1 second. I'm going to open up my page in WordPress. I'm going to start to add some of these terms in, and I'm going to really show you this is how I actually work through this process. Okay, so now I have on the right-hand side my Bing rewards page, which is called Microsoft Rewards, and on the left-hand side I have SEMrush. So here's the first thing. People want free things. It's actually a really short sentence, but I'm going to actually update this right now. So remember right over here it says free stuff, so I'm going to change this right now. So people want free stuff and things for doing very little. So people want free stuff and things for doing very little. People want free stuff and things for not doing, how about for not doing much? For not doing much. Now, I'm going to go through Grammarly. I'm going to go through this at the end. I don't need to record the video for that, but essentially I'm going to clean up all this at the end. So I'll recommend that you guys do that as well. I want to show you how I'm adding these terms in. So free stuff, we already added that as well. Now, how to sign up for Microsoft Rewards. I have this kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure I talk about Edge somewhere in this post, which is a browser, a web browser. So I'm going to search for Edge. It says browsing with Microsoft Edge and the rewards extension. So it says is the new browser. So I'm going to say new web browser. So I got that semantic term right there. Now, I also want to look at bonus points as well, because I'm pretty sure I put that in an email section. So if I keep going down, checking your email, so this is want to sign up for Microsoft Rewards, receive emails with more ways to earn. I'm going to put in Microsoft products. So, I mean, because some of the stuff you can get is Microsoft reward points. You can also get sweepstakes for Surface Pros, Microsoft Swag. There's a lot of things. So I already included Microsoft Rewards. So once you sign up for Microsoft Rewards, you receive emails with more ways to earn. I'm going to say bonus points for Microsoft products. So I got that. Now a level 2 member. Now that's interesting because I'm pretty sure I talked about that. So I have levels. So how to sign up for Microsoft Reward programs. So I said there are 2 levels, which I'll get into more detail below. Level 1 versus level 2. Okay, so being a level 2, so we're going to change this to say level 2 member. So being a level 2 member, got that. Xbox 360, so I think I talk about Xbox One some here. Yeah, so I got, I like to set a goal for Bing Rewards, Xbox Live Gold membership. If you think, gain $29, I'm going to say, Bing points can be used for Xbox 360, Xbox One, and Xbox, is it One X? I'm actually not even sure, hold on. I forgot what the new Xbox system is, Xbox One X. I don't know if it's Xbox One X or Xbox One. Yeah, Xbox One X, okay, yeah. Okay. Gifts, cool. And so that's it. Those are the semantic terms right there now I just added. So obviously if you're familiar with WordPress, you're going to go in and you're going to just now publish these changes right here. Now this blog post that I wrote at one point was really driving a lot of traffic, and now it basically, it dropped. So there's a lot of things else I'm going to go back into this post. So I'm going to swing this over to the right hand side. Keyword usage now. So Bing points, we already included that. Bing Rewards, I think I should use it more often. So if I do a quick search, it's weird because Bing Rewards now is Microsoft Rewards, but more people know it from Bing Rewards. I can see that I have it 7 times, but I use it more in the beginning of my post, which is good. I might add it down here in the bottom somewhere. Maybe... So I'm going to say, I say more points. I'm going to say just more Bing Rewards points. Yep. Now, how to earn more Bing Rewards. I'm going to actually scroll back up to the top because that really should be in the beginning of my paragraph. So I'm going to say you can earn more points. So I'm going to just change this and say you can earn more Bing Reward points. You can also use semantic, by the way. You don't have to say in a plural, rewards if it doesn't make sense. And that's pretty much it. That's all I'm really going to do right now. And I'm going to just hit update. So real quick, in real summary, what I just did is I spent a few minutes. Actually, so far we're at 8 minutes. So I first used Google Search Console. I noticed that this page was driving a lot of traffic at one point, and then it dropped. I took some of the keywords from this section here and I put them right into SEMRush. I ran the on-page SEO checker report. From the SEO checker report, I got this report right here. And I got some keyword usage along also with some semantic keywords for me to consider as well. I could look at video usage and readability, but right now I wanted to really focus on what you can do, which is really quick. And that's it. And then the final thing I'm going to do, actually, I have to clear my browser cache, so I'm going to just pause. Well, I don't have to. Really what you need to do, though, at the end is just alert Google and Bing of your changes. So go into Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools, fetch the page that you just made your changes because you want to speed up the process for crawling and indexing your content. And then that's really how you have to go ahead and get the content seen by Google and Bing so you can drive more traffic. So thank you for watching this video, and as always, let me know if you have any questions, and have a good rest of your day.